again, everyone. And the two teams walk out to the opening lines of You'll Never Walk Alone. Two giants of the Champions League on their way on a rainy night at Anfield. The most successful European club sides from England and Germany. Anfield is ready and everything is on the line. Here's the Liverpool captain Jordan Henderson, spots the run through the middle of Mo Salah, who've got a touch to that. Gnabry the other way for Bayern Munich, skips away from Robertson, fitters in the cross, Alisson made the save. Then Kingsley Coman, side netting. Although Alexander-Arnold can lift one in towards Salah, couldn't hit the target. Really good chance though for Liverpool. Sadio Mane is caught there by Kimmich, and that's the first yellow card, and Kimmich will be suspended for the second leg in 3 weeks. Plays it into Keita, that's the shot, was that handball? It's put wide by Sadio Mane. Robertson with a chance to cross in towards Mane, good save by Neuer. Well, there is the full-time whistle. Liverpool 0, Bayern Munich 0. Liverpool know they've got to go to Germany and score a goal, and who knows what's in store in the second leg of this Champions League last 16 tie. Everybody, two big-time European teams with everything on the line in Munich tonight. Clubs steeped in Champions League history on their way out into one of football's great arenas. Bayern Munich and Liverpool have played each other to a standstill at Anfield 3 weeks ago, and one of them must go out tonight. Maybe it could be Roberto Firmino here, who took it early. Pounding when Bayern have got the ball tonight. Here's Mane. Neuer's caught in no man's land. It's Mane! And it's in! It's the man in form with an away goal for Liverpool in the Allianz Arena. Sadio Mane strikes again. Mane. Andy Robertson's in for Liverpool. Good save, Neuer. Robertson's got to be careful. Gnabry gets it in. There's the equaliser. Robert Lewandowski was sniffing around. It was Serge Gnabry. Might well have been a touch off Matip on the way in. Van Dijk's in, oh, he scored! Virgil van Dijk for Liverpool! Mo Salah for Liverpool, and it goes towards Mane, that's it! That's the one that Liverpool needed! That's the goal to take them through to the Champions League quarter-finals! It's Sadio Mane again! And that's it! Liverpool have got it! It's an historic night in Bavaria for the 5 times European champions. And they're into the quarter-finals of the Champions League. Liverpool have got the job done tonight when it really mattered. They've got Sadio Mane to thank for 2 exquisite goals, and Virgil van Dijk with a thumping header. And Liverpool are on the way through. It's Liverpool's night in Munich. Bayern Munich 1, Liverpool 3.